Have you been trying to access certain websites, but you are living in a country like Ghana, Nigeria, or many other African country, or any country like India, Pakistan, and you have a lot of restrictions to access that website, right? Maybe you want to, do a lot online, but because of your geographical location, you're facing a lot of problem. Or maybe you just want to stay anonymous. You want to hide your IP address from the internet, then this video is for you, because in this video I am going to show you the free way to create a Proton VPN, all right, and access the internet, all right, with a different IP address. You can be offered with Netherlands IP address, US IP address, Japan, UK IP address, right, for all for free, and Proton is the best, right? So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want this kind of content. And if you want to learn how to create an SMTP server, I have a course on Udemy, okay, that will teach you how to create an SMTP server that can send bulk emails. All right, so I'll leave the link at the first comment and also at the description. Right, let's get into it. So all you have to do is visit protonvpn.com/free VPN. And this is not an affiliate video, okay? I'm not affiliated to this website in any way, so I'm doing this because I love them, right? So that is it. So I'll leave the link at the description. Just click on it and you'll be redirected over here. Good. So all you have to do is just click on get Proton VPN free. All right, and just click on continue with free. Okay, so you need to enter your email address. So I've already created a video on how you can create Gmail accounts without phone number verification. And also I have created a video on how you can get free phone numbers to create Gmail accounts. Right. So I'll leave all those videos at the description. Make sure you check that videos out. If you don't have an email, right? I don't prefer use temporary email for this procedure. So that's why I've showed you free way to get Gmail account without stressing. Right. Good. So I'm going to enter my email address here, and I'm going to click on start using Proton VPN, right? So you can see, thank you for choosing Proton VPN, and this is the password given to me. I'm just going to copy it. Better still, you can choose your own password. Oh yeah, you can click on choose my own password, but I think I prefer their password is more safe. All right, so I'm going to just keep it safe from here. Okay, so I'm just going to click on continue with this password. And good. So this is how you can create a free Proton VPN account. And very simple. I'm just going to click on close. All right. So now you can see we have sidebar over here. So we have the home, subscription, account, appearance, and downloads. Now listen, this is a very quick one. Those who want web design, beautiful web design with good user experience, I can design that for you. Right. So yes, you can hire me for that job, right? So now, so when you click on downloads, you can see we have Proton VPN clients, right? So if you are using phone, you just have to download the Android. If you are using Android, you download Android. If you are using iOS, you download iOS, right? So if you are using Windows, download Windows. Mac, you get it. If you want to use the browser, use if you are using Chromebook, use this, right? They also have Chrome extension, Firefox extension, and other stuff, right? So if you are using Windows, I'm going to use Windows for this purpose. You just have to click on download, okay, and the software will be downloaded, okay. So you can see this, you just click on it and click on 64-bit, and make sure you check your machine. Some PCs are 32-bit, right, but mine is 64. You just have to click on 64 and it will download. So you just download and install. It's very simple. So I think I have the software somewhere here. So this is it. I'm just going to double click on it. All right, I've already installed it, okay. So just click OK. This is how you can install on your PC. Okay, so my focus is the VPN, not their mail, not their drive, not their pass, right? So I'm just going to omit this as well, and just have to click on install, right? And the VPN, Proton VPN, will be installed on your PC. I've already installed it, right? So you just have to open Proton VPN. So I'm going to search for Proton. All right, and I'm just going to click on open. All right, so you just have to click down here, and you are going to see, you see it has already connected because I have already I'm just going to sign out. All right, from the account I'm going to disconnect, and I'm going to sign out from this account. Okay, I'm going to sign out. All right, so I have signed out. So this is what you're going to see for your for first timers. Okay, after installing and opening it, you are going to see something like this. So you have to enter your email and enter your password, and that's all. But before that, make sure you verify the email you use in creating your Proton VPN account. Right. So go to your email, okay, inbox, and you can see this is it. Just click on it and click on verify email address. I'm just going to click on that. No one should spam my email. I'm not going to cover it. Don't spam it. Because me there, you cannot spam me. So don't bother spamming me. All right. Okay. I just don't want to. I mean, get clustered emails. So that's it. You can see email verified, right? So now let's go and sign in. I'm going to sign in over here. Then I'm going to enter my password as well over here. All right. I'm going to click on sign in. You can see signing in. Please wait. All right, so now you can see done, welcome, get started, or whatever. So I'm going to just click at the side. But before anything, I'm going to visit this website, hua.net, and I'm going to check my country, all right, and my IP. I'm going to cover some parts of the IP though. So that is it. So I'm in Ghana, and this is my IP address. So let's wait for the page to fully load. So you can see this is my country flag. So this shows that I'm in Ghana, right? Good. So now let's go to Proton VPN, and now let's click on connect. This is the fastest free server, right? Because we are using free account, we cannot choose the country we want, right? So you just have to click on connect, and it will automatically search for the fastest server around, all right, to connect to. So let's wait. So as you can see, it has been connected to Japan. If you don't want Japan, you can just click on change server, and it's going to change to a different server. So let's quickly go and check if truly we are in Japan. Right now, I am in the plane traveling to Japan. Let me go and check if I have landed in Japan. Let's refresh the page. Oh my God, you can see the IP address has changed, and you can see the flag. My guy, I did Japan. I'm in Japan now, Tokyo. Yeah. You wanna travel with me? Follow this procedure, and that is it. You can click on change server, and it should change to something different. Okay. So you can see it has changed to Netherlands, right? So Netherlands is one of my best countries. So I'm just going to refresh again, and I'm going to travel to Netherlands. Let's see if my plane is ready. My plane is ready. Yeah, let's see. So I'm gonna give consent. And oh, so I'm still in Japan. Right. I'm still in Japan. Let me refresh again. Let's check the IP. There's no IP here. Still we are still in Japan. Yeah, we are still in Japan. So let's wait and click on change server once again. We should change our country. It should change, and we should travel. Yeah, we have got another Netherlands server. So let's refresh the page, and let's see if we truly going to Netherlands. Okay, so as you can see, the IP address has changed. I'm sure we are in Netherlands now. Oh, I am in Netherlands. Oh, I am in Ghana, and I'm traveling like a witch. Yeah, I'm in Netherlands now. Now do it. Okay, and let's forget this. So this is basically how you can create free Proton VPN account, and how you can connect and install the app, and how you can connect to it. So if you enjoy this video and you like this kind of content, just subscribe, give it some like, leave your comment or any question. Just leave it at the comment section. And if you want to learn how to, you can create SMTP server that can send bulk emails. I have a course on Udemy. Make sure you go and check it out. All right, and thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.